Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. RAM, or Random Access Memory, is your phone's short-term memory. It's where your device stores data for currently running apps and processes. When overloaded, the iPhone slows down and becomes unresponsive. In this video, I'll show you how to clear your iPhone RAM to make it faster. Let's go! iOS is designed to optimize RAM usage, but when faced with intensive workloads, such as running graphics-intensive games, editing videos, or streaming high-quality content, older iPhones may experience performance slowdowns. While there's no direct method to manually clear RAM on newer iPhones beginning from iPhone X and implement visuals with all the iPhone models, you can indirectly force a RAM refresh using AssistiveTouch. To do this, enable first the AssistiveTouch. Go to Settings. Find Accessibility. Then click on Touch. Choose AssistiveTouch and toggle it on. Then ensure to assign Single Tap to trigger the open menu. Now go back to the main settings. Tap on General. Scroll down and choose Shut down. Tap once on the AssistiveTouch button. Finally, touch and hold the virtual home button. Leave it when the iPhone screen flashes and returns to the lock screen. Enter the passcode if prompted. Note that this won't work if you try accessing the slide to power off the screen by pressing volume down plus sidebar. If you're using an iPhone with a home button or a Touch ID like older iPhone from 6 to SE, you can use the home button to easily clear RAM on your iPhone. Press and hold the power button until you see the slide to power off on your screen. Alternatively, go to Settings. Tap on General, and then Shut down. Instead of shutting it off, press and hold the home button until you see your iPhone screen going black and return to your lock screen. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.